Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Jeff King here, back again here in the Den of Tools, and yeah, this is a tool. It's not a little Xbox or game station. It's a printer, and it's a photo printer, and I'm going to tell you why you might want to consider having something like this in your arsenal, in your toolbox per se. So let's jump into it. This is the Liene, I don't know how to pronounce it. This is the photo printer. It's small, it's compact. Looks like it'll take USB-C power as well. You gotta like that. There's not a lot to this thing. See if I can get in here. There we go. There's your cartridge that does all the magic. Nothing much on this side, okay? And then this is your printer paper cartridge. They're using their special printer paper here. It's really basic stuff. It is legit. Like if you've used an office printer, it's like a small office printer. It just comes in here. I'm doing this one-handed and I can still do it. There. That's installed. Now we're running this off of a power supply. All right, got to turn my AC on here first. We'll plug this in just like that. Come down here. See, you can make anything cordless if you want to. All right, semi-cordless. All right, that's plugged in. So let's print something. So we're gonna jump into the app here, and we just open up the app, whether it's on your Apple or Android. You find the photo you wanna use. Lots of great photos here. We're gonna do this one here. So this is the pic that I want. I have to select the photo. That's the little check mark down there in the lower right. Once you select that, you go to print preview, you hit print, and that's it. It transfers the whole thing. You can see once it transfers it, then the printer is going to handle the whole print job. There's really not much to it. It's just that simple and just that easy. That looks terrible. That looks more terrible. Wait, what's that? Oh wait, not done yet. So basically it has one print head. So what it's doing is it's printing the colors, your RGB plus, I'm guessing black, on multiple passes. And then you get this, which if you didn't know, it's hard to see. That is the light fixture area for that. And here's how I would use this. Say I'm taking something apart I've never taken apart before, and I take pictures of stuff. Now, typically it works great. I have it on my phone. I can look it up. I can zoom. I can do all sorts of stuff. But sometimes I'll have parts bags and stuff like that, and I could take a bag of parts, because sometimes projects may sit for a while, and you'll forget about it before you come back and you're trying to find the picture in your phone. I could take a parts bag and staple this to the parts bag, and I can look at it and go, oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. Now, of course, you can take pictures of your kids. Where's a kid? There's a kid. You can take pictures of your kids and all sorts of stuff, and you could do all the other stuff, but this is a tools channel, so they sent this to me, and this was my first thought. This, as a tools guy, this is what I would use it for. Honestly, there's a lot of uses for a printer like this besides, in the shop. Of course, around the house, pictures of the kid, picture of the dog, the wife. We got holidays coming up, all sorts of great stuff you could use this for. But let's talk about the printer itself, how much it costs, that kind of stuff. So we're on Liene, I don't know how to pronounce the name, their website. I did not realize this. Until I looked at this page. So the top of the printer is designed specifically to hold the print cartridge when you're not using it, or the paper cartridge when you're not using it. You just pop it out, set it on top, and it sits nice and neat right there. Who'd have guessed? Anyway, so we come over here, And we got, here's the printer and such. So there's the basic one, the Liene Amber 100 4x6 instant printer with 20 sheets. That comes in at 135. The 100 sheet basic set comes in at 150. And then there's the gift version over here, white and battery version there for 154. I don't know anything about that version. They didn't send me that one. Anyway, let's see what else. Oh, and they also have it if you want a different color in pink, I guess. I guess if it's gifting, to be fair, Christmas is not that far off. So I guess if you're trying to gift that to somebody or something, that might be important to you. So anyway, let's take a look at this one here. Gorgeous printable Wi-Fi printer. It is Wi-Fi accessible. That's nice. Thermal dye sublimation. Actually, believe it or not, thermal dye sublimation is a pretty decent print process. It's way better than your basic inkjet kind of stuff. So that, I tried smudging it with my fingers as soon as it came out. It wouldn't do that. I was pretty happy with it. Now, how long they'll last? Thermal dye is pretty good. I mean, that's what people who like the high-end printers for like doing, photo work for magazines and stuff. That's what they use. They use thermal dye sublimation for that. It's portable, yada yada, multiple ways to print. Okay, comes with a printer. We all know that. And the colors doesn't give us any other information there. As you saw, of course, I was printing using the portable power supply. I love those things. I guess maybe something to consider if you're going off for the holidays. Clearly, their market here is for the, around the family, for the family, that kind of stuff. But I think there's all sorts of other great ways you can use. I'll be honest, being an older guy in my 50s, I grew up with photography and Polaroids and stuff like that. And I kind of miss, since we've gotten into this digital age, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love digital pictures, but not actually having a picture I can hold, a picture I can give, a picture I can put on the wall. Other than printing it through one of those inkjet things. Those are terrible. Kind of soggy pieces of paper coming out of that. Yeah, I'm not a big fan. This has a certain appeal to me. Now, as far as accessories, once you got, let's talk about, consumables. The print cartridge, for 80 sheets, you're getting $33. Now, here's what I like about it. When you buy the paper, you don't just get the paper, you get the cartridges that match with it. If you buy the 40 sheet, you get one. You buy the 80 sheet, you get two. You clearly get a discount. You're saving $7 by buying it 80 sheets rather than buying it 40 sheets. So let's do some quick math. So it's not going to be cheap. Let's be honest with that. So look at the price. You're looking at $33. And you're getting 80 sheets out of 80 picks. That comes out to a little over 41 cents a pop, which is a darn sight cheaper than Polaroid. I know we have a Polaroid camera, and the pictures are smaller and they're more expensive. So anyway, just take that into consider. I don't know if this is something you want, if this is something you'd use. I definitely will use it for, as I was saying, for taking pictures of projects, because there can be time between projects. Thanks again to Liene for setting this. I really appreciate it. We're going to have lots of fun with it and hopefully make some use out of it. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.